Do you have any struggles when it comes to learning the English language? Hi, my name is Teacher Rem, and I am thrilled to be your English teacher. With a degree of Bachelor of Physical Education major in School PE as cum laude at University of Mindanao, Tigas College. I have been passionate about English for more than 5 years. My journey in education began 2019, and I've had the pleasure of teaching diverse groups of students across various levels, both traditional and online platforms. In my classes, I strive to create an engaging and inclusive learning environment where every student feels valued and inspired to learn. I believe that education is a collaborative process, and I encourage open communication, critical thinking, and creativity. I look forward to getting to know each of you and supporting your learning journey throughout this class. Please feel free to reach out to me with any questions or concerns. Let's have a fantastic lesson together.